Hi there. Hey, how is it going? Pretty good, thanks. I'm Alex, by the way. Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Priya. Sorry, could you say your name again? Sure, it's Priya. Ah, Priya. That's a lovely name. How do you spell it? Thanks. It's spelled Priya. Got it. And what's your last name? It's Sharma. Can you spell that for me too? Sure. Sharma. Perfect. Thank you. Just to be sure, your full name is Priya Sharma. Yes, that's right. And what about you? Can you spell your name for me too? Of course. My first name is Alex. Alex. Easy enough. And my last name is Morgan. Morgan. Great. Alex Morgan. Nice and simple. Yeah. Well, it was really nice meeting you, Priya. Same here, Alex. I'm glad we got to chat. Me too. Hope to see you around. Definitely. See you later. Take care.